Canva Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Canva and other recommended tools are in the description. Now, let's get straight to the review. Canva is a graphic design tool that helps businesses create professional visuals quickly and easily. For dropshippers, this means designing high-quality product images, ad creatives, social media posts, and marketing materials without needing expensive software like Photoshop. But is Canva the right tool for your business? Let's break it down. Features. Canva offers ready-made templates for social media, ads, banners, logos, and even product mock-ups, allowing you to create stunning visuals in minutes. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to customize designs, even if you have no graphic design experience. Canva's AI-powered background remover is a game-changer for product images, helping you create clean, professional-looking pictures for your store. It also includes a brand kit feature, which lets you store your brand's colors, fonts, and logos for consistency across all designs. Canva integrates with platforms like Shopify, Instagram, and Facebook, making it easy to post directly from the app. The free version has plenty of features, but Canva Pro unlocks premium templates, stock photos, and additional editing tools. Who is it for? Canva is ideal for dropshippers who need professional-looking visuals without hiring a designer. If you're running Facebook or Instagram ads, posting on social media, or creating branded content for your store, Canva will save time and improve your marketing visuals. However, if you need advanced photo editing or custom illustrations, you may need more powerful design software. Strengths: easy to use. No design skills required. Thousands of templates, perfect for ads, social media, and product images. AI background remover helps create professional product photos. Brand kit for consistency, keeps colors, fonts, and logos organized. Affordable. Free version is solid. Pro version is cost-effective. Weaknesses: limited advanced editing, not as powerful as Photoshop for complex designs. Stock images can be overused. Popular templates may look generic. Pro features require a subscription. Some of the best tools are locked behind Canva Pro. Final verdict. If you're a dropshipper looking for an easy and affordable way to create high-quality visuals, Canva is an excellent tool. It's perfect for ads, social media, and branding, but not ideal for advanced design needs. Check out the links in the description for special offers and free trials.